sockets GN3124 are used for fitting hygienic design standard parts. The screws and nuts have a special, high-quality surface. Tightening hygienic design standard parts with typical sockets can scratch and damage the surfaces of the parts. We have therefore introduced matching sockets made of aluminum. Aluminum is softer than the stainless steel used for the screws and will not damage them. This prevents dirt from adhering to the parts, making them much easier to clean. The hygienic design standard parts are used in production systems in the food or pharmaceutical industries, for example. They are driven using commercially available ratchets or reversible ratchets with square drive. If the specified torques are complied with, the sockets achieve a long service life. They are available in typical sizes of 7 to 30 millimeters width across flats.